Hey babes, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I am back. She is back with the Five Below. As you saw it at the title, y'all. Y'all already know that I'm back before I even just said that. But anyway, I am back with my affordable dupes at Five Below. So I have one here. I think we're at series 11. I had to take a break, y'all, to do other things, but she's back, okay? She's back, and she is better. So I have one here, which I have a lot more, but I have this one, which is Perfume for her, and it's an Eau de Perfume. It's called Femme, okay? It's called Femme. This is what she's called, and this is what she looks like right here. Now, I was going back and forth with myself, like, you know, let me find the dupe to this. And I believe she found it, okay? So we're going to see, because the notes are giving Fenty, okay? They are giving Fenty. I'm just saying the notes are giving Fenty. What they saying in here is giving Fenty. So I have smelt Fenty, I know. So I'm hoping that this is giving Fenty vibes, okay? So what I'm going to do is, let's just go ahead on and share the box. So you see the box right here, what this box looks like. Now, let's go ahead on and look at this Fenty box, and you tell me. You see the Fenty box? Anyway, y'all see it on the screen. I have too much light going on. But anyway, this I am going to pop with you guys. So let's just go ahead and pop it open right now. And it's giving Rihanna Beauty Perfume, okay? So let's see. And on the back of here, they have the notes. That's what I love, that they have. Oh, girl, don't make no mess. Please, Jay, don't make no mess. So, this is what it looks like. It is by United Scents. And this is 100 mil. That's one thing. Five Below will give you a 100 mil, honey, for $5. And it's 3.4 ounces, okay? Oh, I smell this right already, y'all. Oh, hold on. I didn't even spray it, y'all, and I smell it. Oh, my goodness. Hold on. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh, my goodness. She is just so gorgeous. I love the bottle itself. And she's so chic and so beautiful. I hope you guys can see it right. Yes, hopefully you can. So, the top. They ain't paying for all that top thing, y'all. But this is gorgeous. Oh. I wasn't choking because of this. I'm in a chokehold, baby. Listen. Oh, please let this be a very good one. This smells so good. Anyway, let me go to the notes that's in here, y'all. Oh, my goodness, y'all. We may have a good one. We may have a good one. So, this says the top notes is blueberry, Bulgarian rose, and tangerine. Okay. So, I am on Frantica website, and I am with the Fenty right now, okay? And this says Fenty for women and men, which is unisex. That one smells like it could be unisex. Anyway, they have top notes are blueberry and tangerine. Middle notes are Bulgarian rose, geranium, and magnolia. Base notes are patchouli and musk. Trust me, it is some patchouli in this, because I smell, baby, baby, okay? That smells good. So, we have those notes, and this is in the Fenty one right here. Now, they saying that this is a rose. The main, of course, is rose, fruity, citrus, patchouli, floral, musky, fresh, spicy, warm, spicy, sweet, and aromatic. So, I am going to do a spray or two. Let's let you see what the spray look like. Beautiful. Baby, this smells like the Fenty. This smells unisex. It smells not soapy, like, but clean. Like, I just got a shower, baby. I just got out the shower and I smell amazing. Y'all, this smells really good. It smells floral. Like, really, did they say floral? Yes, it smells floral. It smells rich. It smells like I have money. It smells like I got some money. I got some money, y'all. I got some money. I will get this to last long, okay? I'm thinking maybe about, you know what I mean, it's $5, y'all. Maybe about 2 hours. it's not strong, but it's not like in your face, like boom, get you, I'm coming to get you, like boom. Girl, I smell good right now, and I'm smelling it. It's like hitting up here. This is a tangerine. Was it tangerine? Yes, it was tangerine. I'm smelling that tangerine, y'all. I'm smelling that tangerine. Is it tangerine? Girl. Yes, it's tangerine and the blueberries. Let me see. I don't know if I smell blueberries yet, but baby, this is warm. This is floral but warm. Floral but warm. Did I say warm? Yes, it's warm and spicy. Could be. It's sweet though. It's sweet, but floral at the same time. So, baby, this right here, Perfume. This one here, this box. Get this. Get this. This smells. This don't smell like it should be in Five Below. Now the top should be in Five Below. This plastic thing, but this right here should not be. Look how chic this bottle is. This girl, this bottle alone looks like it's more than $5. Okay, and the smell in it, baby. I'm finna do another video, so girl, I can't resist. This smells so good. Let me see. The rose, you smell rose. Of course, citrusy. You're gonna smell that because I told you the tangerine. It is sweet. It is sweet and floral. This is my stick right here, y'all. Get this, okay? So this is gonna go up in my collection, and I definitely will be wearing this. Y'all will be seeing me spray this, baby. This I'm going to spray out, and I think I'm gonna go get me a backup of this because once y'all know about this, y'all gonna try to go buy it all up. So I need to go get me another one, okay? This right here, y'all, Femme by Fenty. She's that girl. She is that girl, baby. She is that girl. Look at her. She is that girl, okay? Yeah, I'm still smelling her, and I'm smelling blueberry now. I'm smelling blueberry, but I'm smelling it with. That rose is beautiful. It's so, earring stop. This rose is so beautiful. It's like a, it's like it's a rose, y'all. I can't describe it any kind of way. It smells like roses. Roses, and you smell the tangerine in it, and I smell the blueberry in it. It's just the patchouli. You definitely gonna smell that in here, y'all. It's a dupe for Fenty. It is. It's a dupe. It's a dupe for it. I wouldn't say 100% dupe, but it's a dupe. Okay, and they are duping it. Okay, they are duping it. And I smelled Fenty before, baby, and this smells really good, really good. So I am going to screenshot this, okay, because this is what I like. So they say in the notes, blueberry, tangerine. I can't make this up. You see those notes? I'm not making that up. That's what that says in there. And I'm not making this up. It's right there. This is what it says. I'm not making it up. Y'all forgive me for my bald head nails, okay? We will get them done. Get this, okay? Get this. I'm waiting for a minute for it to dry down, y'all, so I can see what it is. But this right here, I smell good. I smell clean. It smells like, not soapy, but it smells clean, like I washed with soap. Like, out of the shower fresh, okay? But I do say that it is unisex. It definitely is unisex. They say for her on the box, baby, but this is a unisex all day long. This is a unisex. Oh, she smells so good. She smells so good. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead on and get out of here, y'all. I think that if you, before I get out of here, I think that if you were to spray her, I don't think that it would offend anybody. The only way it would offend somebody is if they be just mad. Well, I think it will do somewhat of an offense to somebody, and that would be because they mad they didn't get it, okay? So put them on. If they spray it and they get mad, just tell them, no, go to Five Below. And Five Below, this is not sponsored, y'all. Five Below ain't sponsoring nothing, okay? It's $5. So they just tell them, go to Five Below and grab yourself one of these, okay? Or two of these, because this is nice. It's still there like I just sprayed it. So, of course, it's just minutes. It's not an hour and all that. But it's still good. For $5, baby, and the bottle is heavy. I'm talking about, girl, this bottle is thick. It is. You see it? It's thick. And it's heavy. Baby. Look. That juice in there. Love it for me. I am going to wear this out, baby. So I think maybe I'll probably go ahead and do another Five Below. I'm going to get my series 12 out after this video. So guys, go and watch my series. I will try to I have a playlist. I will put all of my, even all the perfumes that I have done, I will try to put a playlist in this video. I'm not going to go and do them all, you know, maybe I should, of all of my Five Belows, go and link them, you know, all of the series in there. That way you won't have to be searching for where this at, where that's at. Maybe I'll put it down in the video. That way you could be able to just click on it in the description box, okay? I'll do that for you guys because I love you guys so much. So anyway, like I said, y'all, this is a dupe for the Fenty Perfume. And you get your hands on it, baby, okay? Get your hands on it because she smells amazing. Don't let nobody tell you different, okay? All right, y'all. Be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.